and welcome. I am Prachi Gupta. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough. Hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID-19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope. Curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. COVID-19 Innovations Deployment Accelerator or CCIDA is a special platform of the Hyderabad-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms that helps to accelerate COVID-19 innovations stuck in the last mile. The Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms is an initiative of the Department of Biotechnology. Now, a CCIDA-supported company has developed a fast RT-PCR diagnostic kit to detect coronavirus infection. This indigenously developed kit is more affordable than the currently used RT-PCR kits. The kit has now got an approval from ICMR and will help in expanding the testing capacity of the country. Bhubaneswar-based CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology has developed a UV disinfection chamber, which can be deployed to disinfect our various personal belongings like masks, keyrings, currencies, etc. UV or ultraviolet rays are known to damage the RNA or DNA, which eventually kill microbes. The chamber has a 125-watt UV bulb and a rotating base fitted with a shutter door. Efficacy of UV treatment in this chamber has been tested by the scientists. They checked the number and type of bacteria present on the surgical mask, paper and key before and after UV treatment. Scientists have found that higher exposure to UV rays increases the rate of killing of the microbes. Let's know more about this disinfection chamber from Professor Suddha Sattva Basu, Director, CSIR, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology.
I want to show you a photograph first. If you are not acquainted with, this is a UV chamber. Okay, you could see this is our logo and all those things kept. And this is where the UV you could see generated, and then there is a mask is kept here. Okay, so this is a chamber, small chamber, where if you want to reuse your N95, which is quite costly and which is quite effective for the health worker, and then this UV chamber, the UV lights are there generated and they produce heat. Then these can kill that virus, that is COVID-19 virus. And so you can keep a mask inside this UV chamber. There's a plate on which you can keep or you can hang it, and then it rotates. So, and then it get exposed to UV radiation if you do it for about 3 minutes, 3 to 3.5 minutes. We have checked, 3.5 minutes. We have checked, and then when you observe them, you will not get a trace of any bacteria virus on the mask, because if not only COVID-19, if you are exposed to a hospital, you are exposed to many kind of bacterial virus, is even outside as well, and so it can be cleaned and it can be reused. And even the PPE, although we have not made a bigger one, so we are now planning to do a bigger one. The PPE also can be hung like in a hanger, and then it will rotate, and then it will be a bigger chamber, same thing with a bigger chamber, and then the PPE will be disinfected by this method.
Janta curfew, lockdown, a breakthrough in vaccine development, relaxation of lockdown, rise in cases of coronavirus infection in our region. Each event happening these days has a significant impact on our mood and mental well-being. To quantitate the mood of Indian citizens on a daily basis, scientists from the Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Tirupati have created a web portal. This web portal is based on sentiment analysis of posts on Twitter and displays the mood of people on a given day and on a given location in India. Tweets are categorized as happy, sad, surprise, anger, fear, disgust, and neutral. The percentage of tweets of these varied emotions help analyze the effect of major news on the mental well-being of citizens in a certain region or throughout the country. This portal could be of immense importance to various public, private, and government organizations to take necessary measures to ensure the mental well-being of citizens. Let's know more about this web portal from Dr. Sridhar Chimlakonda, Assistant Professor at IIT Tirupati.
People express their views through Twitter these days, and we looked at over more than 500,000 tweets across India. and then we try to understand what is the sentiment of people. So we categorize these 500,000 tweets into basically 6 emotions: anger, sad, happy, surprise, fear, disgust, and neutral. So we used a machine learning classifier, and we used natural language processing to classify these tweets into emotions. So we've developed a web portal through which you can go and then select a state and go to that particular state to understand the mood of a particular state. You can also know the mood of the entire nation. So the portal has a country map, and on the map you can click on a particular state, and then you will get to see the mood of the state on a given date or on a given date range, right? So then we also the emotions, the change of emotions across the date range is also shown through appropriate graphs and charts.
That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe and maintaining social distance. See you soon. Namaskar.